In today's video, we will take out the rear bumper of 2019 Honda Accord. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a four-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. If you haven't already, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's jump into the process. Using a door upholstery remover, we will take out the first clip from the underneath side. Then you would notice there's one clip here and one clip there. This clip we do not need to take out, but this clip we will take out. Yes. We'll take out another clip which is just right besides the one that we just took out. Again, we see a clip that we do not need to take out and we will just move ahead. This will be the final clip from underneath that we will take out. With that, we are done from the underneath side. Now we will jump onto the corners. Using a small wrench along with a Phillips bit, we will take out the first screw from the corner. Notice the bottom screw is missing in my case, but in your case, make sure you take this screw out as well. Now the side connecting the quarter panel with the bumper, there is a screw that also needs to be taken out. Here, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to take this out. Once the screw is out, now we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. With that, we are done from this side. Jumping onto the other side, take out the first two screws. Take out the screw connecting the quarter panel and the bumper, and then slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Both sides are opened. Now we will open the trunk. Notice there is a special screw right there that needs to be taken out using a Torx 30 bit. Using a small wrench and that Torx 30 bit, we will take that screw out. Screw is out. Similar fashion, we will take out another screw from the other side. Now we will slightly pull the bumper from both corners until it completely pops out. With that, we are done taking out the rear bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used during this takeout.